So I'm standing here to teach some basics of basic electrical engineering. Here I will start to make the very basics of Kirchhoff laws, Kirchhoff current law, Kirchhoff voltage law by using some different concepts, different terminology, right, which are lack in the books, right? So apart from everything, first of all, Ohm's law. So Ohm's law study in two ways when we start studying KVL and KCL, right? We know all that V is equal to IL, but in fact some scientists say I is equal to V upon R because V is excitation and I is a response. I will explain this. When we apply some voltage across any resistance, right, the current pass through this resistance is the response and the excitation is this voltage, right? In KVL we write Ohm's law in this way: summation of V minus summation of I R is equal to 0. I will explain this in a closed path. In a closed path, summation of all voltages and drop across all resistance in a closed path must be 0. This is called Kirchhoff voltage law. It is like we will IR going to be this side, right, and this would be V minus IR. But in a closed path, maybe maybe this is summation, maybe kind of many voltages connected in series, and similarly there are many resistance which are connected in series. So in a closed path, V minus IR, or summation of all voltages and summation of all drop across all resistance, must be 0, right? Closed path is two type, loop and meshes. We will explain in later and we describe more KVL, right? Again, KCL. Basically KCL is a different concept apart from KVL. We will hear I is equal to V by R, or a current in a particular branch is denoted by I is equal to voltage at high potential point minus V at lower potential upon the resistance in that particular branch. This whole concept is applied in a branch between nodes. Means we have two nodes, let us say A and B. We will apply Kirchhoff current law. I is equal to V by IR. That will be equal to I is equal to V at higher potential minus V at lower potential upon resistance. And finally, we apply all incoming current is equal to all outgoing current. So in the next lecture, we will explain Kirchhoff voltage law and Kirchhoff current law, which is a derivative from Ohm's law, in detail. Thank you so much.